Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by invoking Spotlight with Command plus space. Do it now. Once open, type a clear keyword. Spotlight searches file names, apps, mail, and system settings simultaneously. If results are sparse, make sure indexing is allowed. Go to System Preferences, Privacy, and remove folders you want indexed. While indexing runs, you may see fewer results. Be patient. This initial setup gets you searchable content right away and prevents missing files later. So confirm categories and let the index complete before deep searching. Once you have basic indexing, refine your queries to find targets faster. You can type name, report or kind, PDF to narrow results to specific file names or file types, and use quotes for exact phrases. Combine terms with and or to include multiple criteria. For example, invoices and 2024 finds both words. Spotlight also supports math and unit conversions inline, so use it for quick calculations. These techniques reduce clutter and get you the precise result you want without opening. To complete a search, press Return to open the top result or use Command plus Enter to reveal the file in Finder. This helps when you need the file path. You can preview items with space, perfect for quick checks without launching apps. If Spotlight behaves erratically, rebuild the index, open terminal and run sudo mdoodle /, then allow indexing to finish. If permissions block rebuilding, check privacy settings. These final steps get you productive, and rebuilding fixes most missing or incorrect results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.